All right, Gareth here from Port Monkeys. Janet's over there with the umbrella, and we're in Isafjordur, Iceland, and it's raining, so there's going to be some rain on the lens. Rain in your picture. But we're going to walk across here and go down into the main part of town, so you can see that. Sorry about the rain. Not much I could do. She's looking for a museum and I couldn't help her. There's several little museums, but they weren't the ones she wanted. So, anywho, that's a hotel, Isafjorder. This town is on a fjord on the northwestern side of Iceland. And this is like the main square here. I mean, maybe there's another one somewhere. But as you'll see here, there's a lot of little shops and restaurants, gift stores, pride flags down here. So I think cars are allowed to drive. I mean, they're parked there, right? But you know, this is like a toy store here, some sort of gift shop, museum of everyday life, Rainbow Road. Follow, 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 follow. Follow the Rainbow Road. Hi. Hey, Janet's behind us. That says the temperature is 10. I guess that's Celsius, and it's 1 p.m. And the sun is just coming out for the first time that I've seen it today. I don't know if it's going to make it, but it sure is trying. So, little shops of horror. What do you want? There's this shop we saw earlier that sells a lot of things that say that, including a mouse pad. Janet thinks that her mind is in Iceland. So, a lot of people going in there. Looks like a restaurant. A lot of flowers in town. A lot of people. There are 3 cruise ships here today. You say, I've never heard of Isafjordur, Iceland. Oh, this building with these pictures on it. I have no idea what this is. But they're posing. Look how low the snow gets. Anyway, you say you've never heard of it, and yet there's 3 cruise ships here today. So I guess it's a pretty popular town for cruise ships. Whoa. And that's what I mean when I say people drive like just a little bit wild here. Some of them. I'm not saying all of them. Some of them though. So be careful. We're gonna get to a place here, right out here, where I don't know if they're homes or businesses. You know, old homes or new businesses. Like this. Is this a house? Oh, it's probably not a house, but a few others out here. I'm gonna wipe the lens off. So everything's gonna go blank for a moment while I do that.
Yeah, it's coming down a little heavier.
Get ready. Okay, that'll be better for a little while, right? So this is a gift shop, I'm guessing. There's people in there, and they sell stuff. But is this somebody's house? I don't know. It looks like it. And then somebody's going in this one. Oh, they're just throwing trash away. Oh, the door's open. So is this homes? Duplex? I don't know. They got a lot of flowers though.
I'm thinking they're individual houses. Oh, look at
Look at these flowers.
the bachelor's
Right.
buttons.
See what I mean about a lot of people? And with this, I guess this is a house, but I mean, he's like right here, almost on the waterfront. Got these flags of Iceland, I suppose. And then buildings that look old with a big picture of them posing in front of the fjord. And they're all wearing plastic aprons, so fish? I don't know. And there's where we started. We just went around. It only took us, you know, 6 minutes. I mean, there's more to the town than that. Earlier, we walked all the way up to there. I know that doesn't mean anything to you, because you don't know what I'm pointing at, but there's a trail going up to the side of that mountain and then it just stops. What would you want to say?
Walked all the way over across that way.
Yeah, our tinder boats are over there, which is where we're headed now. And I'm going to put this under the umbrella. And I'm going to wipe off the lens one more time. Luckily it's a GoPro, so it's waterproof, right? But if you look up in the picture now, you'll see Princess Cruise's umbrella. So, Gareth here,
And Janet.
saying,
Port Monkeys out.
see you in the next port,
Bye.
which will be Reykjavik, Iceland.
And we'll get our luggage.
Yeah. Bye-bye.